YZ450 chain replacement. Always replace chain and sprockets as a set. Any worn parts will just prematurely wear any good stuff you put on there. Right now is the best time to loosen the front sprocket. Make sure to bend away into the locking tabs, and easiest way is probably use an impact wrench, or you can jam a handle of a hammer through the back sprocket or use a rag to stop the rear wheel from spinning. Now you just find the master link and pop it off with a pair of pliers and pry bar. Make sure you get a new lock washer if it needs it. Sometimes there's plastic or grass wrapped around the countershaft that looks like it belongs there and it'll just wreck your seal. So if it's not already leaking, make sure you get that out of there. Pull the chain over the sprockets through the guide and then adjust the rear axle so two inner links match up. Just make sure you leave room so you can adjust the chain as it stretches. Find the pin flush with the link and use a chain brake. You can take the chain off and put it in a vise and use a drift and a hammer if you want, but it's way nicer using the brake. I'll link that down below in the description. Grease and install the four O-rings to finish installing the master link. You can use the chain brake as well to compress the O-rings a little bit if you can't get the final clip on. Install the clip in the direction as shown so it doesn't pop off while you're riding. Set your chain slack to about 50 millimeters or 2 inches. And now you can torque the rear axle to 90 foot-pounds. The front sprocket, make sure you got a good locking tab on there. It's going to be 54 foot-pounds. I appreciate any likes and comments. And be sure to check out the playlists on my channel. There's a bunch on there for maintenance on dirt bikes.